Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the usual blockers. Check internet, time and date, and disable VPN or proxy because these change authentication tokens. Next, sign in at account. Microsoft. Com from a different browser or device to separate local Windows issues from account problems. Once done, clear cookies or use a private window to force a fresh login. This removes stale session data that often prevents authentication. If web sign-in works, move to Windows side fixes. If not, you'll need account recovery or a password reset. If web access works but Windows won't accept the account, reset your password and confirm security info because device tokens must match the new credentials. Then open Credential Manager and remove any Microsoft or Live entries to clear cached credentials. This forces Windows to request fresh authentication. Make sure Windows and Store apps are updated, since protocol changes occasionally break sign-in. Finally, sign out, remove the account in Settings, and re-add it. This recreates tokens and resolves mismatched cache states. To finish, add the Microsoft account back in Accounts, enable sync, and verify Mail and OneDrive sign-ins. This confirms token exchange succeeded. If Windows still blocks sign-in, run sfc/scano and dism repair commands because corrupted system files can break authentication components. If problems persist, create a local administrator account and sign into Windows with it. Once isolated, migrate data from the broken profile or perform a system restore. If all else fails, use account recovery or contact Microsoft support for server-side issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.